Bering Air flight carrying 10 aboard missing rescue teams frantically search for lost plane. Bad weather and limited visibility could have led to crash. Bering Air aircraft disappears over Alaska with 10 passengers aboard. Rescue teams frantically search for lost plane. A Cessna 208 Caravan, designed to accommodate a pilot and 9 passengers, has been reported lost. A U.S. Coast Guard HC-30J from Kodiak Air Station has reached Norton Sound to aid in the search and rescue mission. The Bering Air aircraft was declared overdue after I not arrive in Nome around 4 p.m. It was heading from Unalakleet with 9 passengers and a pilot aboard.